with the agency, I'm gonna expand to as far like all of North America. All of North America. I'm coming out with a system right now, and I'm gonna start running ads in US, picking up realtors in US and wherever I can to help them generate leads because a lot of people need help. They
A
don't
lot of
know.
people, yeah, a lot of people do need help because they get bad advice, like spending $30,000 on bus stop ads. People get
100%.
terrible advice.
100%.
Absolute. Yeah. Well,
there's too many, especially with realtors and mortgage brokers. So I already have 2 mortgage brokers signed right now, and they're loving it. They're loving it. So I might even niche out to the mortgage, like just the brokers. But I mean, I can do both. I'm gonna do both. But yeah, but I see a lot of people. I mean, there's a lot of people doing, like, not many people are working with the mortgage brokers right now. I think I got it down pretty good right now. I'm working with 2 of these brokers, and I'm helping them.
Yeah, that's something I dived into a little bit last year. I did some trainings, like weekend trainings at some brokerages, which not a lot of people talk about. People always say, "Oh, realtors." I'm like, well, realtors are great, but like, that's why I say I deal with real estate professionals. I deal with everyone that's inside the real estate sphere, because a lot of it is very copy paste and like very similar between like those industries, like realtors as well as like brokers and other people that are in there, because it's a similar audience. As well. So you can kind of speak the same language between all of them, which just simplifies the whole process. Because I know a lot of people that do like niche hopping and stuff, and they really struggle with niche hopping, especially right in the beginning when they're starting their own social media marketing agency, because they're all their audiences, all the targeting for these, like I remember people inside of the group like, oh, I'm in the dentist niche as well as in the construction niche as well. And I'm like, well, those are 2 very different clienteles that you're going to be dealing with. So like, you have to build completely different funnels. You don't really know like kind of the language that they're speaking.
Well,
like
I guess those people they're still trying to figure out their niche, right? Which is,
oh yeah, 100%. And then people just make it so hard on themselves because they try to do every single one, and then they get so overwhelmed, and then they're like, oh, this doesn't work. When instead of someone like yourself, Roop, and someone like myself, that's like, no, I'm going to just focus on only one type of niche and be able to specialize in it and become the expert in it. So then things are a lot easier, because as soon as you get one client in the door, then you could just replicate that same process and be like, hey, I did this for this guy. Here's the next guy inside the same niche. And you can literally copy the same funnel and the same ad. Especially for what you're doing, because I know the ad types that you're doing and you're running, you can literally run that in any type of local neighborhood and get any sort of lead generation. It's just copy and paste, but then you just switch the cities. Like that's all that it kind of is.
Yeah, I've been running the same ad for over a year.